Welcome to the StepTracker FreeResponse question. What you can see laid out here is we've got the PDF that has the actual question. So I'll definitely load that up and use that as reference purposes. And then again, you can either write your answer out on paper or type it up in Eclipse. So once you load this, you'll see kind of the what's going on. And this one's actually pretty easy to make some sense of. Is we're making a whole new class, right? We have to do all the entire class ourselves, all right? It's called StepTracker, and it's basically like a Fitbit or fitness tracker. And it talks about like, here's the methods. So it has to have a constructor and then the following methods. Okay, and then they give a bunch of examples of how it's used. So like they construct a new step tracker and then they call these different methods and they show you what the output is if there is an output. Okay, so you can kind of read through this and try and make sense of it. But as far as the setup goes, it's pretty straightforward, right? If you are using Eclipse, basically you're just going to make a new class called StepTracker and you have to do all of it, right? I would start with the instance variables, the constructor, and then the methods. All right, and so you have to make some decisions about what variables you want to track, what data you want to keep track of, and how to set up the constructor. Right, there is some information like the constructor has to take in one parameter, right? That's kind of one piece of information. And then the methods, they tell you the methods right here. So you can use these descriptions to start to generate the three methods that you're going to need there. Okay, so that's the basic setup of it. As always, try it on your own, read through the PDF and start coding yourself. And then if you get stuck, there's a help video out here. All right, that's it for the introduction.